Hey David, I'm gonna try doing a quick turn of just to kind of not show you how it works. That sounds like I'm being patronizing, but just the community guys that I play with, kind of how they do it. So if we were playing this game for real, which obviously we don't have to, but I would just film my turn. I've kind of got my moves all planned out here. You don't have to do the color coding. I do it because it's fun, but lots of guys that I've played with don't. Yes, we just go through a regular turn. Austria starts with $26 on this horrible money tracker. So this is the 20 stack. All these guys are at 20. So he's at 26. So that's his $26. This was the 2 10s, and then there's the 6 1s. I'm spending 24, so saving 2, spending 24 to build. Am I going to be able to pick that guy off over there? To build 6 infantry for 18, and a fighter for 6 is 24. So that's those 24, and I'll save $2. Probably shouldn't delete those things because it looks like they don't replenish. Oops. Okay. So then for combat moves, it's going to be all the colored stuff. So into Venice, I'm going to bring 6 infantry, 2 artillery from Tyrolia, and then Trieste, which had 6 infantry and 2 artillery. I'm splitting into 2 groups. So 3 and 1 will come from Trieste into Venice. Then from here, these 3 and 1 artillery, and then these 6 and 1 artillery will attack Serbia, and then these 6 and 1 artillery, and these 6 and 2 artillery will attack Romania. And then for non-combat moves, I'm going to have these 6 infantry and these 6 infantry all move to Tyrolia. These 4 artillery, these 2 artillery are going to bounce back here, and then these 6 infantry are just going to stand pat and not move. And then the ships, same thing, stand pat and not move. So then I would just go and resolve combats, which would be these guys fighting in the first one. So just probably bring it here, and that'll be enough. So the Austrians have, looks like, 3 artillery at 3, and they're going to boost those 3, so that'll be these 6 dice. And then I'm going to have 6 more at 2. So green is at 2, blue is at 3. So it looks like we've got 1, 2, oh man, brutal roll. 2 hits. So sure, 2 hits in case I forget, which probably I won't. And you, I just do it that way too. 1, 2. Then the Italian defenders have 8 total units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All at 3, so 8 at 3. And you don't do much better. 2 hits for you as well. So 2 and 2, that's pretty easy. I'll lose 2 infantry. You'll go from 6 to, I'm going to use these chips instead because they're better. So you will have, oopsies. In Venice, you will have 4 infantry and 2 artillery remaining, and I will have bring on those guys. I've got 5, 6, 7 left. and 3 artillery. So delete, delete, delete. And I wonder if there's a contested marker somewhere in this mod. So Italy would go down 2 because that territory is contested. I think we'd just do that actually. That should work. Because it's contested. So that should be, there's a total of 12 infantry here, so that's, oopsies. That's a stack of 10 and 2 more. And there's a total of 4 artillery. And currently 6 infantry, although that number will grow a little bit. I just don't like those chips. Anyway, I'm not going to do the whole thing. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. Why not? Let's do the whole thing. I'm sure that you're getting a sense for how this all works, though. So we can bring these guys down to the battle board. I'm going to have these guys boosted, which means I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So green at 2, blue at 3. One, 2, 3, 4. Oopsies. It was a hit. So 4 hits for me, which I think is actually exactly what I need. 4, yes. So, and then you've got 4 dice at 3. Oh, look at you. Oh, fuck. Goes 4 for 4. What a dick. So, 4 guys dead. You're dead. You're dead. Let's do these chips. So for infantry, I got a total of 5 left. So make that a 4. 5. I've got 2 artillery. Oopsies. There we go. So that's garbage, garbage, garbage. So that's Serbia. And that is $2 up for the Austros. So they'll be at 28. And then the last attack was this one. Okay, so I've got a 6 at 3 and a total of 6, 7, 8, 9 at 2. Here we go. Green at 2, blue at 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was a 1 again. So those hits And you get 6 dice at 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. And take 2 of those guys. For infantry, there's 6, 7, 8 left. So make that a 7. And for artillery, there are 3 left. And that is a full wipe of Romania, so another $3 for the Austros. So that'll go up. Where's that tracker thing? So then they'll be up to 31. Already, non-combat moves are part of that, so now we place units. And collect our income, which is going to be 31. So yeah, anyway. And then I'm going to just save this file, send it to you. Then I'm going to post the video on YouTube and send you the link. And that way, like, you slowly do a game just back and forth like this. And if you can't play for 5 nights in a row, it's like, cool. When you have a chance to get to it, you do. And you send it on to the next guy, and you just kind of go back and forth. I don't know. You can play pretty much any game you could find on TTS, you could play this way. Some games would be obviously easier than others. But yeah, anyway, adios for now.